Alright, so let's talk about this. Something massive has just happened at FlexiFunnels, and this is something that you need to know. The FlexiFunnels AI legacy page builder is no longer available, and it is something which was the backbone of the platform. It is something which was helping the customers like anything from idea to be able to launch your landing page, a highly direct conversion optimized landing page within just 7 to 8 minutes, but it's no longer available. And the reason for that is because it has been replaced by the new 10x AI page builder, which you now really need to see it to actually believe it, because the quality of the pages have been taken up by almost 10 times. I'm just going to show you a few pages that we have created, and some of these pages are created by just single prompt that we have taken out of the database that we took out, and some of the customers only had put in these prompts, so we just took out these prompts. And if you will see, what I'm doing is I'm also going to give you the link to this document wherein I have put a lot of prompts, and in these single prompts what exactly is the output that has been generated. I'm going to share this with you, but I want you to have a look at this. The page quality, the content quality, the everything has become just 10x. If you will just go through the whole page quality and the content and the whole direct conversion response nature of this particular page, or all the pages that you will see, have a look at this. The hidden reason you are losing mental sharpness, energy and sleep, and it's not burnout. The prompt is create a premium high authority conversion focused landing page for a gut healing coach targeting IT professionals, founders, CEOs. This is the page. Look at the page quality, look at the finishing of the page, and imagine you will be getting these pages in just 7 to 8 minutes. You just need to enter a single prompt, that's it. Let's have a look at this one. Get your startup funded faster with expert backed investor matching. The prompt is create a startup funding submission website for startup pros. Let's have a look at this page. Look at the finishing of the form. Everything is like so clean. So some of the lags or some of the improvements, I would say, that we had earlier in the legacy AI page builder, all of that has been overpowered now with this. And the whole look, everything is like so nice. And since yesterday we have been testing this is like so advanced. And the whole design system, the formatting of the designs and everything has become so good. Have a look at this. Take jaw-dropping photos from the phone already in your pocket. The prompt is what? This one. Create a sales page for a smartphone photography course. Have a look at the page. You will of course replace this with your image. And then let's have a look at this. You have $1,000 camera in your pocket, but your photos still look like this. You will put some images over here. Have a look at this. What if the only thing standing between you and your studying photos was the right knowledge? So good, right? So since yesterday, we, our whole team, me who was testing this, we are like so much in awe of what exactly has been created. And yes, everything is like fully drag and drop customizable. So you can go ahead. For example, let's have a look at this page. NutriCharge page was somewhere over here. I will give you the list of all these, and these are all the customer prompts. We have just taken a lot of these customer prompts, and we have just created these in a single shot. By the way, in none of these any editing has been done. Okay, this is the prompt. Create a persuasive, emotional, conversion focused sales page for NutriCharge supplements for women, men and kids. Have a look at the page. And since it's a nutrition based page, so the theme of the page is greenish in color, so the AI understands all of that. And India's #1 doctor recommended supplement brand. Give your family the complete nutrition they deserve. Have a look at the whole content in the copy and everything, right? So nice, so advanced. Backed by science, proven by results, trusted by millions. See what changes when your family gets complete nutrition. The whole imagination of the page has become 10 times better. This is something that we have seen earlier, that in some of the pages the formatting came out to be pretty similar, and we wanted it to, although it was already too advanced, it was already ahead of the industry, but now this is like 10 times far better. That's what is something that we intend to do every single time when it comes to FlexiFunnels. Let's have a look at this last page, and then let me give you the video along with the whole thing, along with this whole document. Let's have a look at this. Act as a world-class web developer, Jack. So good. Let's just have a look at the headline. When the stakes are highest, leader is called Jack. Such a powerful page, right? Now let's have a look at this. Everything is simple. Once a page is created, in just 7 to 8 minutes, a fully customizable drag and drop page you get within 7 to 8 minutes. And then everything it can be, for example, you want to decrease the size, then in that case you want to play around with the line spacing and you want to bring it down. Or if you just want to increase the size again, so everything is like simple drag and drop customizable, just like it has always been. So the drag and drop powers are still there. The power is to play around with the button, to change anything in the button, they are still there, right? Whatever you want to do with the button and everything. The power is to add any content that you want on the page. Maybe you want a video over here, right? Maybe you want a button over here, whatever it is. So all these powers are still there. And what else? Yeah, and just have a look at this. All these pages were created in a single prompt. Like no re-prompting has been done, no extra designing has been done. All these pages have been done in a single shot. Have a look at this. Create a premium high authority page. This is the page that was created. Let me show you a couple of more. For example, yeah, let's say this one. Create a startup funding. See this page, right? So every single page has been created in a single shot. See this. Create a high converting mobile first lead generation landing page for the premium luxury real estate project. See, so a complete mobile responsive, not mobile responsive, mobile first. And it understands, by the way. I was looking at this page, I want to show you something. So in the prompt it said Ahmedabad, right? So have a look at this. So in Ahmedabad, it has given it a premium location. The AI has itself given it a premium location. And have a look at this. SG highway is this much far, international airport is this far, Apollo Sterling hospital is this far, and all of these are like the real locations in this particular city. So yeah, just like what I said, you are not ready for this. It's already live. You don't need to do anything. You can start using it right now. The 10x AI page builder, you just go ahead and start using it.